happy new week and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me once again, and if this is your first time here, I also like to welcome you. We received three $3 mystery offers today. One is for Kiss or Essie nail polish, the second one is for Sally Hansen, and the third one is for L'Oreal Cosmetics or Revlon. The first deal I have in this video is a buy 2 get 4 bag, and Crest toothpaste is part of this deal. They are on sale for $3.99. Pick up 2, both will total $7.98. We received a 2 off 2 digital coupon. If you still have your $2 off digital coupon, it will also work with this deal. Both coupons will double dip and take off 4, dropping it down to $3.98, and you get 4 back, making both free and 2 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have will be on Crest mouthwash. They're on sale for $5.49. Pick up 2, both will total $10.98. We have a $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.98, and you get 5 back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal is buy 3 get $10 back on any Covergirl cosmetics. Pick up 2 of the Covergirl Perfect Blend Pencil, priced at $5.79. The third item will be the Covergirl Atlas Lip product, priced at $5.29. These 3 items will total $16.87. We received a $5 off digital coupon that will work on the lip product. And for the 2 eye pencils, use 2 $3 coupon from coupons.com or last week's save insert. I scanned the eye pencil on the app. It's not attaching to the $3 we currently have, but you can use the paper coupon. These 3 coupons will drop it down to $5.87, and you get $10 back, making all 3 free and $4.13 moneymaker. The next deal will be on Maybelline Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the baby lips priced at $4.99. Both will total $9.98. If you still have your $3 mystery offer from last week, I printed mine and it's extended. Use it, and we also received a $3 digital coupon. The mystery offer and the coupon will drop it down to $3.98, and you get 6 back, making both free and $2.02 moneymaker. Next deal I have is spend 10 get $4 back on any Sally Hansen cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, priced at $4.99. Both will total $9.98. We currently have a $2 digital coupon that will expire on Sunday, and we also received a $3 mystery offer. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $4.98, and you get 4 back, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Garnier Facial Care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Garnier Black Peel Off Max. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $9.29. That means the second one will be $4.65. The 2 will total $13.94. We have a $2 off digital coupon, and I have 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $9.94, and you get 5 back, making both just $4.94 or $2.47 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back, and Copperstone sunscreen is part of this deal. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $12.49, but on the app it says $11.49. Check if your store will modify the price. Picking up 2 at $11.49 each, both will total $22.98. I have 2 $3 hang tag that will take off $3 each on each item. I also have a $2 CRT I received in my email for Copperstone sunscreen. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $14.98, and you get 10 back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on Chic disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you spend $15, you get 5 back. Because they are priced at $6.99, you have to pick up 3 to be able to reach 15. We have a $4 coupon in our app, and for the other 2, go to coupons.com and print out 2 more coupons. I have a 4 off 16 Chic disposable razor CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $4.97, and you get 5 back, making all 3 free and 3 cents moneymaker. If you don't want to pick up the Chic and you want to do the Skintimate, they are the same deal. They're also on sale for $6.99. Pick up 3 and the 3 will total $20.97. Use the $4 digital coupon we have in our app. And also on coupons.com, you can print out these two $4 coupons for the remaining 2. I have a 3 off 12 Skintimate CRT that will drop it down to $5.97 and you get 5 back, making all 3 just 97 cents or 32 cents each. My next deal will be on July Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy 2 get 1 free, and when you buy 2, you get 4 back. Picking up 3 at $3.89 each, you're just paying for 2 and 1 will be free. Both will total $7.78. I don't have any coupon in my app for this. I scanned this product and nothing came up. Pay the $7.78 and you get 4 back, making all 3 just $3.78 or $1.26 each. Next deal I have here will be on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get 4 back. We have an Ibotta offer for OGX hair treatment. So all the treatments you're looking at right now, I scanned all of them and they are all attaching to the offer. They are also priced $10.99 each. Because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $5.50. Pick up any 2 you like. That will total $16.49. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.49 and you get 4 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back. It's a limit of 1. That will end up making 2 of them just $5.99 or $3 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, and they're on sale 2 for $10. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we received today that will drop it down to 7 and you get 3 back, making both just $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1, but I will show 3 ways to do this deal. Pick whichever one works for you, or you can mix or match. All you need is to get to $30. The first option I have is to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. To complete this deal, pick up 2 11 tiles finished power ball. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they're priced at $9.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $5. If you'd rather pick up the one priced at $18.99, that's the 28 packs, we have a $3 coupon in our app that is attaching to it. And if you check coupons.com, there is another $3 coupon that you can use for the second item. But I think the one priced at $9.99 is a better deal. These 3 products will total $29.98. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide detergent that will drop it down to $26.98 and you get 10 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $3 on each finished product. That will be a total of $6. After the $10 extra care box and $6 from Ibotta, these 3 items will end up costing just $10.98 or $3.66 each. The second option I have is to pick up one of the Gain fabric softener on sale for $9.99. The next item will be the Scott Comfort Plus on sale for $10.49. And the next item will be the Charmin Ultra 4 Mega Roll on sale for $5.99. To complete this deal, pick up 3 of the puffs on sale for 3 for $5. All these items will total $31.47. According to the ad, we're supposed to receive a $2 digital coupon for the Scott product. My account did not receive any Scott digital coupon, even for the paper towel or the bath tissue. I hope yours have it, and if you do, use a $2 digital coupon. We have 50 cents off digital coupon for the Charmin. For the puff, we have 25 cents. And for the Gain fabric softener, we have a $2 off in our app. These 4 coupons will drop it down to $26.72 and you get 10 back, making all 6 products just $16.72 or $2.79 each. If you prefer the 240 count Gain dryer sheet, it's on sale for $9.99 and you can swap it out with the fabric softener. We also have a $2 digital coupon for it. The last option I have is to pick up one Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. and pick up one Lysol air sanitizer on sale for $9.99. To complete this deal, pick up 2 of the finished Powerball 11 tab. It's priced at $9.99 and it's on sale for buy one get one half off. The 4 products will total $30.97. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash, and we have a $3 digital coupon for the Lysol air sanitizer. These 2 coupons will drop it down to $25.97 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each finished pack. That will be a total of $6 back from Ibotta, which will make these 4 products just $9.97 or $2.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for your support and thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.